Hey friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you 10 best lines on National Unity Day. So let's get started. National Unity Day, Rashtriya Ekta Divas, is celebrated in India on 31st October every year. It was introduced by the Government of India in 2014. The day is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Patel is known for spreading integrity. That's why his birth anniversary is celebrated as National Unity Day. This year will mark the 146th anniversary of the Iron Man of India. The objective is to maintain the nation's unity and aims to spread awareness about Patel's contribution to Indian history. The government also organizes various programs like campaigns and pledge-taking ceremony on the day. Since 2014, every year on 31st October, a nationwide marathon Run for Unity is organized to raise awareness about National Unity Day. The Government of India had inaugurated the Statue of Unity on the day in 2018. Sardar Patel will always remain the motivation of unity for every Indian. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye-bye.